So out here on the football field again. Back there, soccer, football, I don't know, field hockey. Flying this little guy here, the BIGGUS BIRDUS. It's a 9-inch frame. See that? With HD0 VTX crossfire link and electrical tape that doesn't hold on to the frame. And yeah, flying it on a 2000 milliamp 4S battery with 7.5-inch props. So pretty interesting setup, especially when you see the the all-in-one 25 millimeter toothpick flight controller and AEC in there, which makes this a challenge. No, it's these are actually 45 amps ECs, so they should be able to handle this. And on top of that, to make it even more weird, we have the AOS Supernova motors 2207, although I think they're a bit larger. 1980 kV motors. So yeah, I put a throttle cap at 75%, and I think it's a wise move. Although we need to find out how it flies. Well, let's check it out. Okay, not too bad so far. Yeah, a bit shaky with low throttle. Yeah, some overshoot. It's tunable. I like the camera. It's great. Yeah, less nerve-wracking sound than the 6S 5-inch quad. That's for sure. And piss off so many people like the 5-inch. It's a cruiser. I think it's a cruiser. Cruises well. Tuning not right L. So the battery wasn't full. I have no idea what the flight time will be. It is pretty fast. And has a lot of wind resistance. It's fun. It's more agile than you think. Where's my shadow? Do I have a shadow? Oh, the bloody fans from the goggles. So I got, what do I got? Almost 4 minutes flight time. I'm not pushing it. Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot those gaps with a 9-inch quad. Or should I? Slowly maybe. There you go. Possible. Yeah, shaky with low throttle. See that? I don't know how to tune this out. Not sure. Maybe increase idle throttle. I don't know. It's a fun quad. It's a fun quad. It's huge, but it's a fun quad. There's my shadow. Where is it? There. So it's 3.5. I should probably be landing soon. Although when I'm cruising, still not dropping that fast. Another pass by maybe. So yeah, I'll be flying this quad, I'm sure. This will be, I don't know, my long-range freestyler. So it's 6 minutes in, I'm going to land, and this was on a non-full battery, so that's not bad at all. But I didn't have a GoPro on it, so yeah. Add some more weight. Oh yeah, cool stuff.